probably, that might be worth like buying a package. It's like, I mean, we have it pretty careful out there.
Yeah. I think we're sitting now, huh? I mean, it's
can they give you the dimensions of the bedroom? Because that would be one piece that would be nice. Like they can feel like you have a sofa and a bed.
Alrighty, folks, we're going to load a few more before we leave the station. Welcome to the first and oldest county regional park in the state of California. All started back 1897. We're going to drive through a section of it, go check out all the wild trees and animals too. Waiting on our last minute passengers. My name's Dave. I'll be your host and storyteller, brakeman, conductor as well. Looks like we'll have Dennis, our engineer, way up on the big machine. Arms and legs inside the coach at all times remain seated. Ooh. There goes the face painting station. Yes, you can get your face painted there. Oh, some great artwork. Heading into the wilderness now. Keep an eye out for peacocks, ducks, geese, ravens, eagles, owls, hawks, squirrels. Lower Lake was extensively used by the movie industry back in the early history of the park. Filmed a lot of movies down here. Lassie Come Home, Cowboy Indian Westerns, and the like. Turtle family out here. The Green Bench off to the far left. Had a resident grizzly bear here right up till the year 1908, knocked in a cage. That's right. Back in the days of people rode their horse and buggy to the park. Back then it was called the picnicking ground. Now if you can remember the movie Lassie Come Home, we're coming up on that scene just ahead, about 3 more trees up. It's going to be on the right hand side, the tree that was in the movie. Elizabeth Taylor stood next to it as a teenage gal. And way out there off to your left, the boathouse. Over there in the shade by the big old sycamore tree. If you go into Wikipedia, you might be able to find a picture of Rodney McDowell sitting there with one of the Lassie Dog actors right next to that stone wall. Top of the hill we go into the ancient forest is 1612, any tree bigger than you can hug over 100 years of age. Some trees here going into the 16 and 1700s. Engineer Dennis is going to take us off to the north spur here as we make our turn to the left. As Dennis would jokingly say, had we taken the other route, we'd be at 6th Street, Norco to pick up a Starbucks. Now, if you're sitting on the right-hand side of the train, you want to keep an eye out for squirrels, rabbits, and the peacock family. This is where they hang out here by these old oak trees. Some of these 100 foot high, and their leaves and branches above us 100 feet out from center. And when it rains, you can sit under them and not get wet. Orange County Zoo off to our left. Over 100 animals from the southwest to visit. People of age 2 and younger are free. Open every day, 10 o'clock to 3:30. Founder statue, Mr. Irvine, his 2 favorite dogs, hanging out here at the Outdoor Amphitheater small stage. You got our park started a land grant 160 acres to establish this park for the people of the future and their families too. He used to own a 109,000 football field segment of land from the 91 freeway to Laguna Beach and the sea, all the way up to the airport of Orange County. 1 mile mark, we turn to the southwest. Park goes another mile to our left. Bird Bath was created by a lady named Florence Yost. Been operating since 1919. Right now it's in hiatus as they do some engineering retrofit back here, and they are getting the Christmas lights ready for, yes, the visit of Santa during the month of December. Coming down the hill, keep an eye out for more rabbits and squirrels. If you ever read a book, Island of the Blue Dolphin, take a look to your left. Everything you need to stay alive back here, found in the forest to your left. All sorts of fruit trees, nut trees, edible plants. But it would still be hard for modern teenagers to live out here because in the old days, there was no Wi-Fi in the forest. Locomotive hauling our train, a 1/3 scale Thorny type, the original found at the State Railroad in Old Town, Sacramento. Came from the Danforth Cook Iron Works, Patterson, Jersey. Operated for the 2 railroads, the Central Pacific and later Southern Pacific, before it was retired in 1926. Well, Dennis said there's a turtle convention coming up. Take a look off to your right, way out by that green bench near the boulder pile. We have the turtle families there galore and some of the migratory ducks. Still turtles coming up out of the water there. Mostly slider turtles. right, Adventure Time. We're going down below where the horsies don't go, deep within the earth near the magnetic core. Keep an eye out for the gold miners. They're down there working themselves to the bone. Coming into that station now. Double check, make sure you got all personal items with you, no hitchhiking ghosts.
Yeah.
Person that was sitting next to you on the way out should still be there on the way back. Want to thank everyone for riding with us. Don't forget, wagon and train both running today until just shy of 6 p.m. And at this time, on behalf of the Irvine Park Railroad, we want to thank you and watch your heads getting out. Good to go.